Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to discuss with you what is more important to achieving your goals. Like everybody has dreams and want to fulfill their desires and achieve their goals. So what is the right approach for achieving the goals? So what I found, I will tell you that first of all, you have seen so many motivational quotes out there, so many motivational videos out there. So did you ever wonder like what is the difference between motivation or by inspiring with someone? There's a thin line. Motivation is just a force that excite you for a little moment of time. I know, I will tell you in a simple way. Like motivation is like when we want to do something but we don't find any courage or any motivation to do that. So we watch any motivational videos and we get inspired suddenly and we want to do that work. But in a longer run, like we have some planning of 1 year goals, like we have to achieve 1 year goal and we have broken our goals like for 1 month each. So in this way motivation works? No, motivation doesn't work in that way, because motivation is just like we want to do the thing quickly and we want motivation quickly and we do that thing very quickly. So this is how motivation works. But when we have planning and have to take action on a daily basis, somehow we want to improve some habits of us, or we want to add some good habits to our routine, then motivation doesn't work, because motivation is just a friction, like getting an instant reaction to something and then it will fade away. So motivation doesn't work in the longer run. So what will be better in the longer run? It is discipline. Like when we have a proper routine and we follow that, maybe somehow we don't follow in some day, maybe our mood doesn't good or anything, but having a routine to follow that, then the lot of things will become more easier to be adopt and to be done, because our mind will be relaxed, not very hampered all the time, because we follow some kind of routine and discipline, and we are knowing our task, what we have to do, and we are analyzing also at the same time. So this is how we can achieve our goals. Goals cannot be achieved in a very fastest way, in a rush way, because this will only waste your time only. So basically motivation is not working in a long run, and it is not good also. Like just watching some random videos and get motivated, it is just for a shorter duration, and it doesn't help you in a long run or to become a better person also. You have, if you want to be a different version of yourself, you have to be disciplined towards what you are doing. It can take 6 months, 1 year, but you have to be disciplined, and that's how your productivity increases and you reach to your goals. Okay, so this is what I want to share about motivation or self-discipline, which is good and which we will have to adopt in a longer run. So basically self-discipline. And now one thing I also want to share with you, that like while we are achieving our goals, while we are in a journey of achieving our goals, life is unpredictable. We don't know, sometimes something happen and that is not under our control. Like we want things to be our control, but something happened that cannot be in our control. So basically discipline also, at that time discipline is a very important role to play. So what I am trying to say is that I read somewhere there is two methods, like hunting method or a farming method. In hunting method, we want to do the things like what we do in a hunting, like we have some goal or a target to achieve, and we're just doing it without anything, like having a military mindset, like doing things in a rush, just I want to do that thing, and having a military mindset like a hunting we are doing, and we try to achieve the goals. But life is uncertain and we are not predicting it so far. So what happened, that we lack energy, enthusiasm somehow in the journey, and we give up. But if we try to achieve our goals in a farming way, like we grow a tree, like nature is the best example. Like when we grow a tree, so we put a seed and then it start building, and it takes time to grow. This is how we have to approach our goals too. Like we have to be patient enough to know that in our mind that it's going to take time and it will grow during time. Then it also takes you to change as a person also, because this is how things and nature work, and this is how human beings work, this is how we work. We don't work in a rush way, in a impatient way. We just work in a patient way and in a good way, and try to understand each and everything in our way, in our pace, that whatever mindset we have. So don't try to do the things in a military mindset, just try to do the things in a farming mindset. Like be calm and composed and be patient enough, because we don't have some things in our control, so we don't have to worry about that, and just deal with the situation and then move on to our next target or whatever goal we have. And with the self discipline, no motivation, because motivation doesn't give you good results in a longer run. Maybe it gives in a shorter run, but in a long run, while you have big dreams or big goals, so you require discipline, and productivity will increase therefore. So this is what I want to share with you guys through this video. I hope you understand the idea that I want to deliver in this video. So I will be waiting for your comments, that what you have understood by this video, and I will be coming very soon. Until then, take care of yourself and bye.